Re must come to. It's always me, your host, Austin. And I said before the break, guys, or I'll be sitting face to face with our very own guest for today, Tato. Tato, welcome to Scamto.
Welcome, Bawaga.
We are happy to have you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, first question in Chaka, how did you discover your passion for clap and tap?
It's Bawaga. We cover really Swaganyana Bawaga. So, like, then exact clap and tap. Amanele, Lemutra, Ambadeliza Hoya. So, Raya, even now, Mokudi Gagon, Gikudia Hoga, Hopanale Padem. Like, Yakobo and a Paga, Panamonat. Hakitano at Leben table, Emonad Power, enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, so, can say so thing to that unique art form, Munji.
Like my good go carry power. I power is quite key. Don't focus on like the leader. The only system namu pasi masih stalesio. Kaya no kong kali dia pina power. Ane good pina dene sama power. But like namala tadi zaga madila thala fase power. Ya pina na kaya da power. So you go on why. Kleben tebiki zamalo na power.
Zamalo.
Sure.
Okay, Asa. So, can you share with us your most memorable performance experience?
Performance agayantla stage santla. Guitar. Nigina futu. Stage sa uidi agage majida nagtswako. Nagene gidi step kabine nereza yang divorce power god. Yeah, nigidi zeduzi. Put the cut down power.
Go down.
Yeah.
It means it was going down there.
Yeah.
So again, it's like that experience of horror in a long horror that one yo nele munati.
Experience la hon John and examale magit. Like na bunda de wali kumubunda do mala na obela busy ba ngotaza. De wala na go khoni busy ba modo yiti. When again na experience monate mo wona ba. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, how do you approach learning and mastering new clap and tap routines?
In masterile sharp zone para tap ndona. Okay, again and anza ampon saluti power. With a young inking.
Okay, so you had a mentor, Nyana, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any specific practice or the warm up singing?
Practice nearly thing like as I hope weekend now practice on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So if you are staging, practice a big till Sunday.
To prepare yourself.
Yeah.
Awesome. So have you ever had any formal training in acting or performance?
I need to empower. They always sharp fail.
Formal training in acting or performance?
Performance are nearly sharp.
Nearly sharp
power.
Like training.
Training ya ona ajwa nearly tselelezile. Moto khono lova abandi ha moral.
No, like my question is was only the formal training. It's like you go to acting classes or anything like that.
Negi power.
No, yeah. Only acting class. Okay. Okay, cool. So, clap and tap or can tell on how we to delay on it or what's a thing?
You to delay on the power. Next time, you learn to an prema. You hold more on it than hoi. Get to hell. Come out again like COVID, even now, Balabayagua, Pambalabayagua.
So, or incorporate young storytelling or emotional expressions into clap and tap performance. Like, how do you engage those two? How story, how express the emotions, clap and tap.
At Leben tap, Donesha. Emotions. No guys are going to know what dealer, how to the film power there. I go all about the melamodi opinions that the fella. Or the fella don't food is saying.
Okay, cool. So, what's the most challenging part about performing clap and tap?
Then you want to organize a fresh like uniform or the yellow. Like over the 3B o ka go go staging at 15 obviously gona at 15 ana za power a yone challenge e pela go kopana lona
ke yone the most challenging
yeah yone.
So how do you overcome those challenges?
Na gongwe go khwana wa patela
Patela as a whole.
As a whole ba butla di 15 a ka ba itso a gona go gola nga di 15 go
so balance yang like go gateng ga creativity ne le di aspects tse ding tsa go tsa life show luna le life ya
ga la life
so on a life
sure
so we balance yang le also gape o kgona balance le life ya go e creative
ai a ke bua ke manager na like go khwere ne zana ka 6 is wa ka 7 o le di ya ke zo khwere go lat so a ke zo asgela home of first two ka tlina yana go nna kwa ka panyana o le di go mafo go cheka nyana majita yana 4 to 6 a 6 ke ke la khwere empower sure
okay cool so mo relationship ile
ya ke mo yone ba
so lone exact so go tlima go etsenya fo
yone ba relationship me dem na tlhaloganya.
So how do you guys work it out when che
ne ke mo fa na go gantsi go skela power
go sekolo
go sekolong le di weekend na khona go pa like ha ke sa di staging na tla go nna Saturday re tlhola ba go tle le Sunday power
okay, can you tell us about a particular inspiring performance or artist e leng gore e go influence the style sa go
artist ke tse two power ke Ezeke opela the mighty singers ke tebo go opela le jela motheo power sure
yeah I don't know these people but surely ba go inspire le thata
ba inspire le thata power
so o sto explore le di form tse ding tsa performance tsa performing art
zone stiki di power
like music dance
stiki di music dance drama drama genereza go chicho
so o nagana gore di differa yang from clap and tap bo music dance le drama so
music o zama le clap and tap a ke clap and tap wa bina di music wa bina so drama that differ ona music yeah
okay so what's next for you Thato any upcoming performances or projects
project then what don't hear about na ba got well a bit clap and tap power
so currently you are not in clap and tap
you are feeling yana na ko nya le ne khone ze du sepa
so is there a reason for you to do so
I think reason like no yele go metric power go metric what ana ko di spani di sa da ga tende kana re ha ke tswas gela for example like ke tsena khwele khwedi e ba Sunday go stage for example mo le fa kana re go attendi wa Sunday ha bona ga itsa time le ke sgela so akwa to bo dusa botho sure
awesome ka funu ka yalla ba fetu akarabe kholo le ka pele ne I'll see you guys soon seleka bo fetula one so we back hopefully le ditete go ga ya kere gore le khono catch us ka mtho gape se le bolla yo la itse second round or tla ka fire so ja go ready gape for second round already first round go gare ne le marurunyana so
ne se maru
le maru no yana keng energy nyana
energy e teng ba
ya wa bona
sure
ya re ba fe energy cause le bone ba tsotsa break ba tsotsa mowa
sure
yeah let's get to it then so Thato how did you and your girlfriend meet
na le girlfriend da ko ba ne ka January ko di bu so ne le new kamba wa so manolo monte power so monte ko ba ne ko sgela andumela shabudu za di apomba power yeah
tsa di apomba so king story behind your 6-month milestone
story sa go power ga manola zanga ngisa otho ayile ga magis ke ne wa ntlhalogang re mo 6 months ba ba ntse ke tsama 2 months 3 months 2 months 3 months o ke ena go ngisa 6 months le ena ba ga jang busy botho ba
so o balance ya nna kwa go between relationship a go le final year ya go on high school
nna le na go bana kwa sgela like sometimes I attend ke ya kwa ene like I got tender ka mola wa jo ga tender di-period tse itseng after school go sa ka 5 re tla kopana weekend ya go school like weekend re tswa fuka ma one ke mo ga ide ne gono pandanyana le ene re je dikota pa re getli
sure. It's nice to be you, ne?
Yeah.
What's the most important thing you've learned from your girlfriend so far?
I'm really to the Bible. Like how the motor allow them ale group in the magita. Like magita, for example, I would do hono zia mama tete mbawa. O hono gezama lo ena o bosi. Naga fanixi. Bagala to hama buisa ki ya pa ba wa easy. O ta tlhalosa go pele. So ntezi futse nyana magita ma lo yena ke phela ke lo one bawa. So
okay. So how does your girlfriend support your passions for clap and tap and acting?
Bawa ga on sa budile nyana like ana le nako nyana ke phela ke mo tlhalosisa ke mo tlhalosisa go clap and tap tsona go mang ena hona ga ene nga hona ga ya go ene bosigo ga gone ya bawa le tlhompa malapa na ne tsena go mmele mo bosigo ai ha ke gone bawa ai.
Do you find it challenging to prioritize nako between schoolwork and relationship?
Bawa ga di challenge bawa like di gume ke se pa ya ka ke mola di gume ke ba ka di ba maka e go mala ne tla ya ga tlo ipona ya ba tla go tlatlinda a bona le ene go ka kwa
ke nga go tshepinyana se
ene wa mitsi machira ya lo ba e ga tse
machira ya
machira ya lo ba
okay go tshwa gona re grammar cherry it's fine. Okay, so are there any fun date ideas or activities you've enjoyed together?
Na le mere ba di ba di date like e go bona nge di 14 tsa February.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day pa re dile di auto ai ho nile tse le monate ba ha ke enjoy le ngwana o le go ba ja.
So how does your mother feel about your girlfriend?
Ba ga mama fitse sha ke mo mmantsha wa itse ba go like ba itse ngwana o yang like ha sa tsamisa le ka bela ya go tshela ma ga bala zanga mplela ha ke botse mo ka pa mplela ke ene ngwana o sha bo ngwana ye mi tlhokomelle o nne le ene ke thank you mom. Sure.
Okay, has she given you any advice on relationships, your mother?
Yeah, umpile yone advice ba go ke ska ja ga le di dintsi mo relationship like go ba le ngwana cause anga nna le ngwana ba ke nna di ze ba cause ke godisitswe ke mama le wana ba sure.
Okay, would you consider yourself a mama's boy, or how does your relationship with your mother influence your relationships with others?
Ba influences the thata like maswali nzamba tips nyana le ne ngwana o le ba bua nyana le why ke first time o ska ya thata piyana bi ga de big magmir yeah.
So when do you consider yourself as mama's boy?
Yeah, consider ba
mama's boy.
Yeah, cause unso ga class ba lo ga mbeza ga club ba how was it vena mabuise slow mo zile ha o la gizing a gizuka ke wa tsena no.
Okay, so how do you plan to navigate the next steps in your education and career while maintaining a healthy relationship?
Ma career ga go kwa dipana ye ke tsweletse ba like ke di training ya go podisa power. Sure.
So plan yang go navigate this next step. Obviously you are doing matric now.
Yeah.
My next year surely there are plans for you again.
Like cause get na pela ba disa magata ga ba ya cause gela a tlo bua le ona so we kopana lo mong ke tamingu bene ke mo tshela ka nna a ba mplela ha ona stuga ga ke na stuga a ba ne wena o sena stuga o shapo then o sabetsa diphoso wa ga disa menone ke mai diphoso nga se dize.
So meaning how fetsa sekolo wa how fetsa high school wa ya go tertiary
ka power.
So o plan yang go navigate like to keep that healthy relationship along go na le one so far, which is 6 months. Yeah,
sure.
But then next day you're going to school. How do you plan to keep that standard rolling?
Standard go ho brawaga wanuzene was a grade 11 and nga se moshima o leng ba e la nka nna re itse ka nna ya ba wa no nga se moshima o leng ke tlo nna ntse ke tsamaya le ene ba wa sure.
Awesome. Guys, please don't go anywhere. We are still sitting with our future cop here. See you after a short nyana break. You can get yourself a short nyana strong thing, ne? Yeah, maar osata kwa tata cause you know, like we are sitting with the future cop. And we are back. Must come to guys. We reach our last segment of the show, ne? Guys, if you want to show nyarona, every time before it's all episode, we are playing a game which is guest inside the potete 5 from our cup. Then na ke le balletso ne potso engwe le engwe ya tlolang a feel hore a ka se khone ya ga o tlona one shot of moringa. Has a shot ya ntwe strong, like I said before the break. This thing couple, it's a healthy herb. Why you take a moringa?
Sure, I got weeks.
Yeah, so yeah.
Aye, again.
Found.
Okay,
let's hope so. Okay. You can start playing the game now. Yeah, choose the first question. Yeah, Mr. Begitele. Waksasa. Okay. First question is what caused teenage pregnancy in Pazima? Okay, here's a clue, guys. This guy orobatwa nna le police. So yeah, vele tabanyana tsa ma police le teenage pregnancy, you know, they relate. So I don't know his thoughts on a ganeng. Surely karaba ge tlampenne compact because ke motho eleng gore re tshepile mo ene le police la ka moso. Ka ba etsa di program tse di search a change Pazima. We don't know in the next 5 years or so. So Nchaka can say causing teenage pregnancy.
The sex of
Sex.
Sure.
You know, funny enough, I got a similar answer in one of my episodes, man. Like
get hello.
Yeah.
Like sex, like sometimes I get the pop on power. Okay, my jida, I blow me, so I know like chair. Ojido, I get out 24 years, Savannah, or my 12 peg. I go in Savannah, I only lost power. You start with the wala, like the room, let's say the quick way is it. Start down na prayer power.
Speaking from experience, my guy. Like I don't go for judgment and thing, and I experienced this whole thing by himself or herself. But it's okay, we're just playing a game. Second question. Azish. Or you found out that your partner is in a romantic relationship with one of your parents. This one I like. Who do you blame? Is it your girlfriend or one of your parents?
Parents, bro.
Parents.
Yeah.
Okay. Why is but okay, cool. Third question in chat. Would you dump your girl to spend 5 minutes with Gamumpe? Aye. With such confidence, in Chaga, we all know what Gamumpela, sorry, guys like everyone's crashed. Like 5 minutes with Gamumpela.
Aye, Baba.
Nkulu, Kelly Clipper, Kelly Tower.
For 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Aye. Yes,
your girl, you going to see her after 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes, another 5 minutes. Aye, Baba.
Anyway, sorry.
Aye.
Nah, me, you know, with me. Anyway, it's not about me. Maria, with me. Would you date a gay person for a trip to Dubai? Say, gay, and then in exchange for a trip to Dubai?
That's really gay, bro.
Don't you want to be in Dubai, my guy? Life is too short. You only live once. What if you don't make it in life? Who's going to take you to Dubai? Your girlfriend?
Yeah, girlfriend.
Okay, my guy, last question. Aha. I want to see someone drink moringa today. Would you kiss me for an opportunity of a lifetime? Would you kiss me?
Yeah?
Why?
What would you do?
Still, like, let's say you don't make it in life, and one day I'm a captain or a commander or a commissioner, police.
Sure.
Yeah. You have to go through me in order to become a police officer. And then I say, I want a kiss from you.
I'm gonna chase about.
Like you're going to give up on your dreams.
I'm gonna give up.
You see, these people, they are not serious about achieving their dreams. Anyways, guys, you are not about that. It was nice having you on our show. Yeah. And hopefully, one day in the next 5 years, you're going to come and change or create a positive impact in our community, right? Awesome. So guys, I'll see you next time. See you when you see me. If you want to be featured on the show, you know what to do. It's those numbers again: 061 2200 929. Those numbers again: 061 2200 929. Let's get out of here.